Hey guys, today is an unboxing if you haven't been able to tell, and I am unboxing a Pinchme box. Now it is crumpled. It seems like whenever I see these, even in reviews, they always seem to come in, they always seem to be crumpled. So beware of that. So let me explain Pinchme as best as I can. I've never really done a describing of a website or anything like that, so if I fail to miss something, just ask and I'll tell you down below. I am not collab. This is not a blogger box. I got what I got when I could get it. And when I tried their whole free day where you get free trials to order, I was literally sitting there pressing the reload button and I missed everything somehow. So anyway, Pinchme is a free online testing site where you get to on certain Tuesdays of once a month, you get to pick a whole bunch of stuff you want at exactly 11 a.m. And if you get it in a box and it gets sent to you, and all you have to do is after you get it, you review it on the site. You don't even have to really do a video about it. I'm doing it because it's an unboxing and I love unboxing stuff because I like stuff. I got stuff by chance. When I first started, there was like 3 items left. I don't remember what the items were anymore, but there was 3 items left. It was like at the end of the time. I was surprised there was even anything left. And when I finally got to do the whole actual Tuesday thing, as I mentioned, I was on at exactly 11. I reloaded it exactly at 11 to grab some stuff, and it was all gone. Like, it froze the screen and I wasn't able to get anything. So I might not be able to do any more of these if it's really like that, because come on, seriously? And I tried getting in contact with them to ask if they would like to do a collab so I can actually do a blogger box and describe their site way better than I am now, but they never got back in contact with me. And secondly, I do have some beef with this, but I might do a review on the entire thing after. Or I might just say no, it's extremely hard to get anything. That ticks me off. I can't believe that I wasn't able to get one thing on that day because the website froze. Either way, that's my beef with it. I've heard plenty of other bad things about the site, which, like I said, if you would like me to do an entire review on the site itself, etc., go ahead and tell me. I'll freely do that, no problem. So let's get into opening this box, since I did as much describing as best as I could. It's a yellow box, and there is stuff inside, obviously. So let's just pull everything out. I got more than... Oh no, I got 3 things. I got 3 things. The box is empty. Yay! 3 things. First off, I got Garnier Fructis Smoothing Treatment 1 Minute Mask, Hair Mask, Avocado and Extract. I've actually tried these before. Let's see. I've gotten the actual bottles of them though, because this little thing's not gonna cover my entire hair. Let's be honest, my hair is right here. It's almost to my butt, so this is not gonna fill out my entire hair. So I really hate when people send me trials because I don't think they consider the hair length of some people. I think they just assume that they have length hair that they're gonna send the samples for. Like, come on, send me 2 at least. That would help me a lot. I can't review something if I can't reach the entire quantity of my hair. But that's just my beef with samplers in general. Like, if you get samplers for foundation, you only have enough of pinch to do your forehead. How am I supposed to try out the foundation if you give me enough just for my forehead? But that's just my beef. My beef with samplers. And yet here I am, still buying them, because sometimes they're free. Anyhow, I'm pretty sure I've tried this particular one before, so. And you need more than one. You need the tubes, the bottles, to really get any difference. And it's a slight difference. I'm not saying it's extraordinarily different. Alright, next is RX Nut Butter, 9 grams protein, 1 egg white, 27 peanuts, half a date, and no BS. And it's the flavor of peanut butter. So this is what it looks like. I have not gone out of my house since I've had an anxiety attack. I have not been working out. So I might give this to Zach. It's a spread. It says need, like this, open and squeeze. And then it says nut and protein spread. So I'm guessing you put this on a sandwich or something. I don't know. I haven't tried one of these. You hear that? It's my cat. You hear that? That's living next to a highway. So I'm gonna have to definitely try this and see if it tastes good. Sorry. Next is 1850 as I'm thinking it's California. The Folger California Co. Lantern Glow Fire Roasted Light Roast Coffee, crisp and bright ground coffee. Again, I've been suffering from extreme anxiety, and they say people who suffer from extreme anxiety should not have any sort of caffeine. So I've been cutting off of coffee for the last 3 weeks. I'll give it to Zach. He'll try it out for me. He loves coffee. So yes, there is one other thing they sent to me. It's a HelloFresh cook up a fresh start $50 gift card, 25 off your first 2 boxes. I don't know what that means. Choose what looks delicious from our weekly menu. Let us shop and deliver all the pre-measured ingredients. You cook delicious meals in 30 minutes or less. Watch, it really costs like $300. Usually these type of boxes that they send you food in usually cost a good amount of money, like $100, $200 to $300. My mom's tried one and it cost about $350 to get an entire, like, I think 2 weeks amount of food. $350. It was ridiculous. So I don't know if I'll be using it because I've never heard of this company and I don't know how much it'll cost. And if I have to pay anything more than $50, I'm not doing it because, girl, I don't got money to buy ramen. Get out of here. So that is all that was in my Pinchme box. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and got an idea what Pinchme is. You can check it out. I'll put down the link down below and I'll put down the little name right here just in case I forget the links. Lately I've been kind of not here to put down some information down below. So if I do that, sorry. Anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe if you'd like to see more unboxings. I gotta have money for that, but I'll totally do it when I do. So, anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed and hit that like button so I can get that algorithm thing that everyone talks about. I know so much about YouTube. I hope you guys enjoyed.